Hello guys, something unexpected happened with error code is a fatal error code that appears when you try to update Game Pass games via Microsoft Store. And this error will appear on your Microsoft Store apps. So the first workaround to fix this issue is run Windows Microsoft Store app troubleshooter. Right click on start button, choose settings, and in settings windows from the left pane go to system settings, and from the right pane click on the option troubleshoot, click on it. Thereafter choose other troubleshooters, then scroll down and you will find the option at the last Windows Store apps troubleshooters. Here click on run option. It will detect the issues and resolve them accordingly. And to fix this unexpected error code to reset the Windows Store cache, open run command box and here type the option wsreact.exe command and press OK. Wait while the process runs until it closes automatically. Thereafter restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type services and open services app. Here look for gaming services. Game DVR and right click on it and choose the option restart if it already start mode. If it will not start mode, then you should start this services and again restart this services. Now check your error is resolved or not. If not, repair the Microsoft Store apps. Right click on start button, choose settings. From the left pane go to the apps section. Here click on installed apps. All installed apps will appear here. Here look for Microsoft Store. You can also search from the search bar. Click on three dot, choose advanced options. I scroll down and you will find the option reset. First you may choose repair, and if problem is still then go to reset Microsoft Store app. The next workaround is update Windows operating system. Again go to Windows settings app and choose Windows Update, and from the right pane if any updates available click download and install, otherwise check for updates and rather download and install Windows latest update. That's all.